There are different ways to uninstall Mac application. So let's see what are the options. The first option is you can open Finder and the Finder window will be opened. From this Finder you will see application is there. We just need to click here applications and all the application list will be there. To uninstall any application we just need to choose it and then we need to drag it to recycle bin and it will be uninstalled over there. It will ask you the password to verify like that and then it will be uninstalled. This is one of the option. I'm not going to uninstall it, I'm going to cancel it. The other option is through the launchpad. Just press the launchpad button of your keyboard, that means F4 button, and then you'll see all of the list of the application. So from here you can also choose one of the application to uninstall. You can click here and then you can directly trash it to over there to uninstall that. Or there is another option also to uninstall. You can click here and hold the icon couple of seconds, then you will see all the icons will be dancing. Now you will see the cross icon is there, that means if you click this cross this will be uninstalled. This is another way you can uninstall Mac application. The other option is to uninstall your application. You can click Apple menu and directly go to system settings. I'm going to click here and the system settings window will be open shortly. Once the system settings window is open, we need to come general and right side we'll see lots of options are there. From here we have to choose about and then the about menu will be expanded. Now we need to scroll a little bit, then we have to go Macintosh HD or hard disk, then over there we have to click storage settings and then it will open all the storage of our hard disk details. Now here we'll see application is there, and when you will open this settings from this Apple menu system settings, it will take some time to load everything and you will see like this it is calculating something like that. So you need to wait till it calculated everything and then only you can access over there and you can uninstall the application which you don't need. To uninstall any application we just need to click here this I button and then it will show all the list of the application. Now from here we can choose the application like Think or Swim or any other software like Xcode or Final Cut Pro, and then we can click this delete button to uninstall the application. And that's it guys. In this way we can uninstall the applications from our Mac computer different ways. Thank you guys for watching the video.